Morning, YouTube. It's about -5 overnight with the wind chill. Let's fire this thing up. Okay, like I said, it's December 26th, 2020. Was down to about -5 last night with the wind chill. A little colder at times, I think. So let's fire this thing up. It's not plugged in or anything. It hasn't been running in, I don't know, probably 18 hours. Let's crank her up. Uneventful. I swear these are like the best cold starting engines ever that I've ever dealt with. So I don't know why or how, but they do good. Thanks for watching.